Do you want to know how you can log out of your Perplexity AI account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log out of your Perplexity AI account. Perplexity AI can be used for asking a lot of questions and you will save a lot of time. It's a AI just like ChatGPT. You can use it for asking questions and you can get the answers quite easily. Now, let me teach you how you can log out of your Perplexity AI account. Make sure you are logged into your account and you can see your login option over here. Click on the settings and then you can scroll down and you will find logout option. So you can see active account. You can click sign out and then click confirm. After this, you can see that you have now signed out or logged out of your Perplexity AI account. I hope this video about how you can log out or sign out of your Perplexity AI account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.